Located on the southern edge of Central Park and right in Billionaires Row, Thompson Central Park is a perfect gateway to the best Manhattan has to offer. It's a short walk to Carnegie Hall, Museum of Modern Art, Radio City Music Hall, and various restaurants the city has to offer. Newly redesigned public spaces and guest rooms add sophistication and flair to the iconic structure. The contemporary decor immediately stands out as we enter the lobby for check-in. The lobby only had a small seating area as we waited to get the keycards for our room. I've never seen touchscreen controls on an elevator before, which direct you to the elevator you will be taking. Let's head to our room on the 17th floor. We stayed in a standard double bedroom with city view. A small open closet is right beside the door as I entered. There's a small safe, 2 slippers inside this drawer, and a bathrobe. Here's the coffee and tea station with a small fridge below. There's a nice work desk right by the TV. Ice bucket with some glasses and plugs with USB ports. Let's check out our view of the city, which definitely looks better in the evening. We were able to sleep well in these 2 double beds. There's an alarm clock that also functions as a Bluetooth speaker. Here's a small sitting area with a table for food and drinks. And finally, a modern bathroom with rainfall shower and Bowmaker's products that we've seen at all the Thompson properties we've stayed at. Overall, the room is a decent size for New York standards, and the hotel makes the most of the small space. We opted for breakfast room service on our first morning, and I must say that it was an amazing spread. You know that I'll always order steak and eggs if it's on the menu. This very hearty breakfast sandwich, and eggs Benedict along with a fruit platter. Don't miss this narrow hallway near the lobby which leads to the burger joint. This no-frills, cash-only, graffiti-covered gem serves what many say are the best burgers in Midtown Manhattan. We ordered a cheeseburger, hamburger, double hamburger, along with cheese fries. After we devoured these burgers, we both agreed that Burger Joint is a must-try spot when in the area. Just look how big and juicy those patties are. The hotel's lounge, Parker's, is a contemporary expression of the city's love for music. It features live music on Tuesday through Thursday evenings from 6 to 9 p.m. We didn't get to stop by Parker's at night, but we did go there for breakfast the next day. We started off with some cappuccino, orange juice, and green juice. We ordered the healthier Elvis, the Thompson breakfast sandwich, eggs Benedict, and some fruit. Breakfast here was good, but I'd stick with getting room service instead. The fitness center is located on the bottom floor and is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. The small gym has multiple cardio equipment, a couple weight machines, free weights, a cycling room, and an exercise studio. The hotel also features dry bar for anyone who needs their hair done. When stepping out or just looking out the windows, you'll immediately notice the amazing residential towers right by the hotel. We took advantage of our hotel's location and headed over to Radio City Music Hall, which was just down the street to watch the Rockettes. Make sure to check out the show if you've never seen the Rockettes perform. After the show, we stopped by Rockefeller Center, which was prepping to unveil the Christmas tree. We headed over to Top of the Rock observation deck for a spectacular view of the city at night. It's our favorite place to see the New York City skyline, and we highly recommend it. No visit to New York is complete without visiting Times Square, which was a short 13-minute walk from the hotel. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.